Welcome to another video. For today's video, let us answer the set of questions in the average round in the Metrobank MTAP Math Challenge 2018 Division Orals in Grade 10, and I hope you will learn from this video. On number 1, find the sum of the infinite geometric series 7 over 2 plus 7 over 3 plus 14 over 9 plus infinity. So the first thing that we're going to do is to find the common ratio. So to find the common ratio, let us have the second term, that is 7 over 3, divide by the first term, that is 7 over 2. So let us have 7 multiplied by 2, divide by 3 times 7. So let us cancel 7, and let us have the common ratio, that is 2 over 3. And then, the formula for the sum of the infinite geometric series is S equals A sub 1 over 1 minus R. A sub 1, that is the first term, that is 7 over 2, and then 1 minus the common ratio, that is 2/3. So let us rewrite 7 over 2, and then let us multiply 3 times 1, that is 3, minus 2 over 3. So let us simplify. Let us have 7 over 2, divide by 3 minus 2, that is 1, over 3. And then let us multiply this one. Let us have 7 times 3, divide by 2 times 1. That is 7 times 3 is 21, and 2 times 1 is 2. So 21 divided by 2, that is 10.5. And this will be our answer. On number 2, find the remainder when 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x plus 2 is divided by x plus 4. So to find the remainder, let us substitute the value of x. So let us have x plus 4. Let us equate this one to 0. So x is negative 4. So this will be the value of x. And then, let us have 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x plus 2. Let us substitute the value of x. Let us have 2 multiplied by negative 4 raised to 3 plus 6 times negative 4 square plus 5 times negative 4 plus 2. So let us have 2, and then negative 4 multiply 3 times to itself, that is negative 64. And then let us have 6, negative 4 squared, that is 16. And then 5 times negative 4, that is negative 20 plus 2. And then 2 multiplied by negative 64, that is negative 128. And then 6 multiplied by 16, that is 96. And then negative 20 plus 2, that is negative 18. So let us have negative 128 plus 96, that is negative 32, minus 18, that is negative 50. So this will be our answer. On number 3, in how many ways can one choose a set of 3 chemistry books and 2 physics books from 7 different chemistry books and 5 different physics books? To find the number of ways, let us use combination. Since we are choosing 3 out of 7 chemistry books, let us have 7 combination 3 for chemistry books. Multiply by 5 combination 2 for physics books. So the formula for combination, that is n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So let us write this one on the other side. N factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So let us simplify this one. So n will be 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. 7 factorial, that is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. And then 7 minus 3, that is 4 factorial. We can cancel this one. And then 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6. Let's cancel this one. So this one is 35. That is 7 times 5 is 35. And then on the other side, let us have 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So 5 factorial, that is 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial. And then 2 factorial, that is 2 times 1. So 3 factorial can be cancelled, and 2 times 1 is 2. We can cancel by 4. So 4 becomes 2, and this one becomes 1. So 5 times 2, that is 10, divide by 1, that is 10. So therefore, 35 times 10, that is 350 ways. So this will be our answer. On number 4, find the radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared plus 14x minus 16y equals 87. So the standard form of equation of a circle that is written in the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So to find the radius, let us have x squared plus y squared plus 14x minus 16y equals 87. So let us arrange the given equation. Let us have x squared plus 14x plus y squared minus 16y equals 87. And let us group this one in terms of x and y, and let us use completing the square. So let us have x squared plus 14x plus blank plus y squared minus 16y plus blank equals 87. Now, what must be the number to be added to make this expression a perfect square trinomial? So since we have 14 divided by 2, that is 7, and 7 squared, that is 49. So let us add 49. So if you add 49, let us add 49 on the other side. And then, y squared minus 16y. So negative 16 divided by 2, that is negative 8. Multiply by itself, that is 64. So let us add 64 here. And then, let us have x, the square root of x squared, that is x. And the sign of the middle term is positive. And the square root of 49 is 7. And then let us have square. Plus square root of y squared, that is y. Sign of the middle term is negative. Square root of 64 is 8. And then square. So let us add 87 plus 49 plus 64, that is 200. So this will be the standard form. Therefore, since radius is r squared, the value of r squared, that is 200. So let us square both sides. Let us cancel this one. So radius is square root of 200. Since 200 is not a perfect square, but it is factorable, let us find the factors of 200. Which one of the factors is perfect square? And that is 100 multiplied by 2. So the square root of 100, that is 10, and then we have square root of 2. So therefore, this will be the radius of the circle, 10 square root of 2. On number 6, how many terms of the arithmetic sequence 2, 4.5, 7, and 9.5 must be added in order for their sum to be 374? So to find the number of terms, let us use the formula for the sum of arithmetic sequence, that is S sub n equals n over 2 multiplied by 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Since the common difference, that is 4.5 minus 2, that is 2.5. Or we can write our answer as 5 over 2 as the common difference. So let us substitute the given. Since their sum is 374 equals n over 2 multiplied by 2 times a sub 1, that is 2, plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, that is 2.5 or 5 over 2. Let us multiply 374 by 2. It will give us 748 equals n multiplied by 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 5 over 2 times n, that is 5 n over 2. And then negative 1 times 5 over 2, that is negative 5 over 2. Then let us subtract this one. Let us have 748 equals n. And then 4 times 2, that is 8 minus 5 over 2 plus 5n over 2. And then let us simplify. Let us write 748 equals n. And then 8 minus 5, that is 3 over 2 plus 5n over 2. And then let us distribute n. Let us have 748 equals 3n over 2 plus 5n squared over 2. So to eliminate the denominator, let us multiply the whole equation by 2. Let us have 2 multiplied by 748, that is 1496 equals 3n plus 5n squared. So let us move 1496 on the other side. It will give us 5n squared plus 3n minus 1496 equals 0. So let us factor this one. So the factors of 5n squared, that is 5n and then n. And what are the two numbers? If we are going to multiply, we can get 1496. And if we add, considering the value of a, that is 5, we can have the sum of 3. And that is 88 and negative 17. So let us equate to 0. So 5n plus 88 equals 0. And then n minus 17 equals 0. So let us have n equals negative 88 over 5 and n equals 17. So we are not going to take negative. So the answer will be, the value of n is 17, and this will be our answer. So I hope you will learn from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all. On number 5, in a circle, chord AB and CD intersect at E if arc AD equals 55 degrees and angle AED equals 40 degrees. Find arc BC. So to find the measure of arc BC, let us illustrate the given circle. So if we are going to have a circle and we have chord, that is AB, and CD, and E, that is the point of intersection, since the measure of arc AD, that is 55 degrees, and the measure of angle AED, that is 40 degrees, we are looking for arc BC. So to find the measure of arc BC, let us have angle AED equals arc AD plus arc BC divided by 2. And then angle AED, that is 40 degrees, equals AD, that is 55 degrees, plus arc BC divided by 2. 40 degrees multiplied by 2, that is 80 degrees, equals 55 degrees plus arc BC. So let us move 55 degrees to the side of 80 degrees. It will give us BC equals 80 degrees minus 55 degrees. So the measure of arc BC, that is 80 degrees minus 55 degrees, is 25 degrees. And this will be our answer.